thank you for understanding. Thank you for understanding, guys. तुम लोग बहुत अच्छे हो. Okay. चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Okay, and just try to move forward, everyone. Okay. What's the topic name? Topic name is data sufficiency. We have done minimum 10 to 12 questions yesterday, and also we have to continue this, and we are supposed to learn few more. Are you understanding, everybody? चलिए. I've done this question also. Different people at different heights, and yesterday we have done this question, and Rahul have got one of the doubt in this thing. Second shortest we can answer, Rahul, but hopefully the tallest one we cannot answer. This also we have discussed yesterday. I hope you all remember this question. Okay, everybody, clear? And we have done this kind of questions also. Okay, everybody, good. Okay, and we also have done the equation based questions. Yesterday we have done the equation based questions, you remember, everybody, and the Infosys question we have done. And these questions, घर पर करो, घर वाला काम, home answer for the question number 10. And what is the answer for the question number 11? Come on, students. What happened? DD. D11. Some people says D11. Many people say D11. Are you sure, everybody? Chalo. DD. Are you sure D11? Yeah. Manikanta plus 5b plus 4c is equal to 29. With the help of this single, I cannot get the value of a plus b plus c. That's good. So one more equation is given to you. 7a plus 5b plus 4c is equal to 21. With this single also I can't do it. So answer is A, no sir. Answer is B, no sir. Answer is C, no sir. If I use these two and you are able to answer is England. If you think that even using these two you cannot answer is Delhi. Are you sure, everybody? So we are supposed to do these two. Students, we have small tendency that we can play with these two equations. Listen, everybody, on the screen now. So when I add these two equations, I'm going to add 3a plus this thing 10a plus 5b plus 5b 10b plus 4c. Oh, it's 6c. Sorry for that. 6c plus 4c is also 10c. Is equal to add these two. When I add these two equations, I am getting like this equation, students. So if I take a plus b plus c common 10, okay, if I am getting 50, so a plus b plus c value is how much, students? It is 5. Have you got the answer with these two? Yes, sir. So answer is England. Yes, Manikanta, you were right. Are you understanding, Manikanta? You were right. It is England. Many. Now I wrote 6C. Are you understanding, Rishikesh? I teach the 11th one. Let's go the 11th one here. A man purchased 48 dozens of bananas. 4 dozens of bananas, not 48. A man purchased 4 dozens of bananas. 4 dozens of bananas bole to 48 bananas. And 2 kgs of mangoes. At what price, students? 75 rupees. Already given in question only. It's not the one which is given to you in the statement 1, statement 2. Already one equation is already given to you. 48 bananas plus 2 kgs of mangoes is 75 rupees already given. Okay? Fine. Chaliye. Good. So now, I'm not using the second statement, students. Yesterday I told you. When you use only one, I'm using sar, 48 banana plus 1 mango, sir, which makes 8 rupees. Sir, using these two equations, we can 100% cancel. Using these two equations, we can cancel. Banana cancel, and we will get the cost of each. Something like that. Come on. Can we do this thing? Yes or no? Students, mango, sir, 2 kilos. mango. And what is this? 1 mango. So do you think, students, 2 kilo mango, 1 kilo mango, you can solve and cancel these two? No, no, no. This is a problem. So we can't do it. But you can't say, sir, 1 kilo में एक आम आता है, बड़ा वाला आम, 1 किलो में 2 भी आम आते हैं, छोटे वाले आम. Yes or no? We don't know 1 kg have how many mangoes. समझ में आ रहा है everybody? समझ में आ रहा है ना? So we cannot solve using the statement 1. Okay, now students, let's try to use statement 2. Some people try to take the statement 2 along with statement 1, but you should not use this statement 1. Sorry, statement 1 alone I am not. Statement 1 I am removing. Statement 1, students, I am removing. Are you understanding that statement 1? I am removing. Clear? Clear? Now, let's try to solve. Already given in the question only. Already given in the question one equation. 48 bananas plus 2 kgs of mangoes is 75 rupees. Already he gave you. So I'm using only 2. First statement, look, I removed the first statement. I have removed the first statement. Second statement I'm using. What is it that? The number of mangoes that weigh each kg is 3 mangoes. Means 2 kgs. How many mangoes? Remove this thing and you can say 6 mangoes. Now tell me, you have a new equation. 48 bananas along with 6 mangoes is equal to 75. Only, okay. Only one equation. Can you solve with only one equation? No, I can't solve this one. So, second statement is telling the relationship between 1 kg and 3 mangoes. That is okay. But do you think only one equation can you solve? No. So, answer cannot be Agra. Answer cannot be Bangalore. Answer cannot be Chennai. Answer can be either Delhi or England. If you think that both can you use, then England. Sir, both are not useful. Then Delhi. Why you are shouting, sir? Okay, let's sort of move across everybody. I'm using both and check. If both and check also not possible, then what can we do it? Okay, everybody, chaliye. Everybody on the screen now. I'm using the second one here. I'm using the second one here. What is said that 2 kgs he told you na in the question, 2 kgs he told you na. I'm converting those 2 kgs into this thing. Well, what's that? 6 mangoes. Did you use the second one? Yes. Now I'm using the first one. Now I'm using the first one. Everybody use the first one, everybody. What the first one says? Sir, the cost of 4 bananas along with the cost of 1 mango is equal to 8 rupees. Are you understanding, everybody? Now you tell me this is mango, this is mango. It's not kilo, it's a mango. Now tell me, students, can you solve these two, everybody? Yes. Can you solve these two equations? Come on, can you solve these two equations? Yes, we can solve these two equations. Bolo yes. You have to balance this one and solve. Remove mango from here? Yes, we can. Yes, we can remove the mango from here. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes. Now, did anybody get the banana value? Did anybody get banana value? $1.11.121. Amruta, I don't want. Amit Patel, I don't want. Reshma, I don't want. Sujita, I don't want. Sufficient or not? Yes, sir, it is sufficient to answer. What is the answer? Secondary matter. Sufficient or not? Yes. The perfect answer is England. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? I'm sorry I made you do this thing. Are you studying? Aditi is quite smart. She got England. Anyways, let's try to move across everybody on the screen now. Okay. Many people said that Delhi, but it's not Delhi. And why I made you do? Because I just wanted to realize that data sufficient or not. In the live examinations, you should not solve it. You think that you can solve? Then yes, data sufficient, sir. Let's try to move for the next question. This is what our impression, this is what our intention when we just try to do in the live examinations. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. I believe that everybody have understood this thing. It's not Delhi. It's not Bangalore. It's what? England. Are the doubts are clear to all? Yes, it's clear to all. तुम नहीं बोले, तुम्हारे दिल की बात मैं समझ गया हूँ. बहुत ही समझ गया हूँ. आगे बढ़े. Yes. चलिए This question we have done. Yeah. Students, I just want you to see this question, everybody. This is answer, not answer. These are the hints. What did it tell you, students, here? 1, 3. Bole to stop smoking. Means 1 is stop, 3 is smoking, 1 is smoking, 3 is stop. We have no idea. This is the coding language of 1 and 3. Same fashion, 5 and 9. Students, 5 and 9 means injurious habit. Who is injurious, who is habit, I don't know. But he has given a couple of statements to you. Can you answer using this? Can you answer using this? Following everybody? Okay. What do I do, students? Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes of time. As you are my own students, I'm giving 2 minutes of time. Following everyone? चलिए, आप लोग अभी करो. Everybody, try this question and believe that if you got it, it's okay. चलिए, 157 is a hint for you. Whether the first statement is sufficient or second statement is sufficient, please do it now. Make it faster. Are you sure, everybody? चलिए. On the screen, everybody. On the screen, everybody. Students, Arshad, Jyotsna, have a look here. Statement 1. Only statement 1. 153, stop bad habit. What do I do now? I'll compare this one, I'll compare this one. I'll compare this one and I'll compare this one. When I compare the left hand side, sir, I found 5 common. Sir, 5 common. What common? 5 common. Okay, everybody. On this side, 2 English statements are given to you. I'm going to compare here habit common. Habit common. So with the help of this, I got to know that, sir, 5 is definitely habit. I'm taking something common on the left hand side. I'm taking something common on the right hand side. So 5 is nothing but habit. Try to understand that, okay? So when 5 is habit, 9 should be obviously injurious. So we can understand that. Can you get the meaning of 9 and 5? Yes, sir. I can get the answer with this comparison. Statement 1, Pragati, is 100% sufficient to answer the question. Are you understanding? As everybody says. But Induja and Harshad and some more people are supporting in Chennai. Chalo. Sir, when you use the second statement, only second. This is the algorithm says that first one is over. Second one I should try. In the second one, don't use first one. Okay, first one is sufficient. Yes, first one is sufficient. But when you use the second one, don't try to touch the first one. Remove all that. What did you learn? Remove all that. Again, a fresh question. Do you think, students, when I compare this one and this one, anything you got a common, students? Yes, sir. Sir, I found 3 common. Not 3. Sorry for that. Sir, students, 9 I'm finding common. 9 on the left. 9. I'm finding 9. So let's sort of go on that side. If 9 and 9 is common, what is common, students? Injurious Babu and here injurious Babu. These two are common. So मेरा दिमाग की बत्ती है ना, मिंटोस जैसी बत्ती क्या बोलती है? 9 stands for injurious. Definitely 5 stands for habit. By this also you can say yes, sir. I can tell with this one also, sir. I can tell with this one also. So बोले तो what? Answer is Chennai. Are you understanding, everybody? Answer is not this thing. We can just try to tell the answer with both also. Following, everybody? This is what the comparison of the left hand side, comparison of the right hand side, and just karo apna kaam. Yeah. Sir, look into data is changed. Question is same. Data is changed. Pragati, 8 is. Pragati is saying 8 is. पता नहीं क्या है. But I want can you answer 9? Can you answer 5? Reshma, Sumant, many people are saying Delhi. Yes, sir. Sir, answer is Delhi. Why the answer is Delhi, sir? There is nothing common. There is nothing common. Ardhamaitunda. Yes or no? That's good. Many people. Are you understanding? This was given long back in one of the entrance examination. आगे बढ़े? Yes. This is from coding decoding. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Yes. The question what we have done here, this is a general equation based questions. The question what we have done here, this is from general equations. Are you understanding, everybody? This question what we have done is from time sequencing and ranking. What did it say here? How many students are there in a queue? Queue means a line. How many students are there in total? Following, everybody, you all know that. What did it say here? This is left side, this is right side. First one, Raman Babu. Raman aa gaya. Okay, Raman Babu. Raman Babu, first one is 10th from the front. Can you say total? No, I can't say. How can you say total is left plus right is equal to total plus 1. Yaad hai? Left plus right is total plus 1. Following, everybody, Raman is only 10th from the front. Can you answer? No, I can't answer. Second point. Don't use first point. Second one. Raman is in the middle. Raman, if you are in the middle, how many people are there on left and right? I don't know. I'm in the middle. Only middle cannot say you Raman. Okay. This is also not answer. Not answer. So answer is not Agra, not Bangalore, not Chennai. If everything is in favor, then it's England. Otherwise, it's Delhi. Let's move forward, everybody. Okay. I'm using both statements. Everybody. Raman is 10th from the front. Yes, sir. And Raman is in the middle. So when Raman is in the middle, it means that he is from the back side also 10. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? That's good. Now, students, can we say the total? Yes, we can say the total. What is the total? I don't want. What is the total? I don't want. Can you say or not? Yes, sir. What's the topic name? Total? No, topic name is data sufficient. So answer is what, England. I'm not interested in what is this. I'm interested in only one thing, that data sufficient or not. Are you understanding, everybody? बहुत अच्छे, okay? तुम करो. You people do this question, everybody. Make it faster. To Agra. Only one is sufficient, some people think. Okay. Look at that. Sir, a large piece of wood is there. You can see the wood over here. Yeah. A large piece of wood, the wood have named as A, B and C. Following, everybody? Yes, Ismail ने बोला कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. Ismail ने बोला कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता, दिल्ली आंसर होगा. Anyways, Ismail, देखो ये दिल्ली है, आगरा है, चेन्नई है. What is the answer? I will let you know. A piece of wood cut into 3 pieces. One piece name is A. One piece name is B. One piece name is C. This piece of wood is cut in 3 pieces. What our duty is what to whether A and B and C are equal or not, we have to prove. We are supposed to prove that A, B, C are equal or not. That's what. I cut it equally, but is it equal or not? We have to prove it. Chaliye. We have to do it. The first statement. Don't use the second one. Sorry. Not second one. Only the first one. First one says the sum of A and B means the sum of A and B, A plus B. Are you understanding, students? The sum of A and B is 2/3 of the original length. Do you know what is the original piece? Original piece, you all know that A plus B plus C. Previously I showed you original piece A plus B plus C. The sum of A and B must be equal to the original piece. Using this one alone, students, can you prove A is equal to B is equal to C? Impossible. You cannot prove A is equal to B is equal to C. So first alone is not sufficient. You want me to solve it? Okay. I will solve it, everybody. Listen, everybody. When 3 comes here, bolo beta what 3 comes here? 3A, 3B, open the braces, 2A, 2b, 2c. Okay. Now send all the here. 3a minus 2a, that is a. 3b minus 2b, that is b, is equal to 2c. Look, this is what we got it. This is what we got it. Does this mean? क्या लिख रहा है पवन जायसवाल? Does this mean that A is equal to B is equal to C? No. Helpless equation. Second one. Seriously, when you use the second one, देखो sound भी आ रहा है. When you use the second one, remove what you have learned in the first one. Don't use this. Only second I am teaching you. Listen. Only second. Remove the first one from your brain, what you have done so far. Second one says, sir, B and C are equal, sir. Sir, B and C are equal. Okay, if B and C are equal, does it mean all are equal? If B and C are equal, does it mean all are equal? Definitely not. Maybe, may not be. हो सकता है. The wood is like this. Listen, everybody. Maybe the wood is like this. A, B and C are equal. Only B and C are equal, you told me. It may be A is equal. No, we can't say A is equal. Arthamaitunda. So 2 alone is also not sufficient. So our brain says Agra, no sir. Bangalore, no sir. Chennai, no sir. If both you can use, the answer is what? England. If you can't use, then the answer is Delhi. Are you understanding? Ismail ने अपना आंसर चेंज करके बता रहे हैं. Ismail, तुमको कुछ लग रहा है? Okay, Ismail. Good. Listen, everybody. Listen, everybody. Listen, everybody. So, sir, I'm using both. This is from first equation. This is from first equation. B is equal to C from second equation. Okay, everybody? Chaliye, on the screen now. B is equal to C. Already he gave in the second equation. I'm using that one. And that I'm mixing with the current equation of the first statement. Listen. B is equal to C. Means in the place of B, I'm writing C. In the place of B, I'm writing C. Because he told B is equal to C. 2C. A is equal to 2C minus C. That is what? C. Yes. When I mix these two equations, I already got A is equal to C. I proved A is equal to C. And he already told B is equal to C. I proved A is equal to C and he already told B is equal to C. Don't you think all the three are equal? Yes. So we can say that statement 1 and statement 2 both are important to answer this question. Are you understanding, everybody? Both are important to answer this question. Else has given this question. E-litmus has given this question. बोल रहा हूं? नहीं. It's not like that. Seriously, it has been given in Infosys. And also, it has been given in E-litmus. E-litmus. These are the questions what no, this is not the end. Done this question yesterday. 2x plus 3y. Have you done? Hi, everybody. It has been told a piece of wood is cut into 3 pieces. You can see the screen now. Done. This was again given in Infosys. The question which you can see on the screen was given in the Infosys last year in 2019. Following, everybody? Chaliye, if you people can do it, please do it. Okay, and help me out. What is the answer from the given question? Screen. The area of the floor. we are supposed to find out the area of this given floor. Infosys has given 2 hints he has given to you. Which hint is sufficient to answer the question? England, both are required. Induja, Pakka Induja, both are required. Huh? Good, good. Delhi, we can't say the answer with this thing. Anybody else gonna say any kind of answering? So many people says Ravikant says Agra anyways. So let me just try to teach you this one. Agra, that's what. Anyways, listen everybody. What is the area of the floor of this building? Nadim has changed his answer very well. QR is for some info. I'm not using the second one. QR is 4. Listen everybody. QR is 4. So you all know that this total is 7. In that 7, this is 3. In that 7, this is 1. I mean to say once again, this is 1. This is 3. So students definitely, this has to be how much then? Definitely this has to be how much then? We can say this is 3. How you got that one as 3, students? How you got that one as 3? Sir, because this is 3 he told. This is 1 we got it. The rest of is 3. Because 3 plus 1 is what? 7. So, students, okay, many people are changing their answers. Okay, good. So, do you think this P and Q 3 you want or you don't want? I don't want. Why you don't want? Because already I can understand that PQ is 3 with the help of the comparisons. PQ is 3 is useless because I can say right now, look, this is 3, this is 1. So definitely the total is 7 means this has to be 3, means this has to be 3. P and Q is 3 without the information required. Okay, good. Are you understanding everybody? Now, students, can you find out the area of this thing? Can you find out the area of this? As you know that this is 3. We got this in 3. Can you find out the area of the hall 2, room 2? Yes, we can find out. How we can find out? Tell me what's the length? 2. What's the length? 2. What is this thing? 4. How 4? 3 plus 1. So you can get room out. Now, students, now let's try to see the room 3. Room number 3. If you wanted to find the room number 3, you know this is 3. But do you have QR value? No. That QR value is 4 he told. That QR value is 4 he told using 1. So now tell me, can you find out the area of this thing? Yes, we can find out the area of this thing. So area of the block 1, area of the room 2, area of the room 3. We can find out the area of the floor completely when we know this part. Because this is the only part. PQ you know, but QR you know, I don't know QR. Supportive this thing. So answer is what? Agra. Why I'm not using this second one, students? Sir, already, how can I tell you, sir? Kitne baar bolu? This everything is 7. In this thing, what is this length, students? What is this length? This is 3. What is this length? 4. So definitely what is P and Q should be 3 only. So that's the reason I'm not using the second point. Are you understanding, Aditi and everybody? Yes, everybody have changed the answer. My question, sir, this question was given in the entrance examination. We have to do it. Now, listen to this question, everybody. What is the cost of fencing a rectangular garden? What is the cost of fencing a rectangular garden compound wall? This is a compound wall. You know that a compound wall will be there. We have to find out the wire cost 20 rupees per meter. You are supposed to do fencing. Students, you know fencing, putting a wire across all the sides of the garden. This is putting a wire across all the sides of the garden. Are you understanding? For putting a wire, he told us 20 rupees per meter, 20 rupees per meter, 20 rupees per meter. What length of the wire I should use? I don't know. First, you have to find out the length. What is the breadth? I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. So for finding length, you don't want area. If you wanted to fence, you don't want area. You want the boundary wall. But in this question, why we found area? Because he told you area of the 4. But do you think here you are supposed to find out the area? No. If you wanted to fence the wire, you need to find out the perimeter. If you know perimeter of this compound wall, we can do it. Okay. This is what the intention of the question. Chalo. Use 1. Don't use the second one. Only 1. Following everybody? Chalo. Let this be length. This be breadth. Following everybody? Many people say England. Genius people. Good. Area is equal to 40. We are using. Means length into breadth is 40. But you don't want length into breadth. What do you want, students? Perimeter. What is perimeter? 2 into L plus B. Why you want perimeter? To put a wire across. To put a wire across, yes, seriously. To put a wire across the boundary, you want perimeter. You don't want area. But he gave you area. Is it useful to you? No. Statement 1 alone is not sufficient. So statement 2. Length is 2 times of breadth. Imagine this is not there. Only statement 2. If L is equal to 2B, can you find out perimeter? No, I can't find out perimeter. Illa. We can't use this one also. Now let me use both. I am removing this. Let me use both. First statement also, second statement also. Using this B, L I am removing. In the place of L, students, I am writing this one. In the place of L, I am writing 2B. Who told? Second statement told. Who told? Second statement. Are you understanding? L is equal to 2B. Following everybody? L is equal to 2B I am using here. So students, we all know that 2B square is equal to 40. B square is equal to 20. B is equal to root 20. You got B value? Yes, sir, I got B value. With the help of this, do you got L value? Yes, sir, I got L value. After you have length value, after you have breadth value, after you have L value, after you have breadth value. Yes or no? If you have L and B, can you find out perimeter? Yes, sir, I can find out perimeter. After finding perimeter, can you find out 20 rupees per meter? He told you 20 rupees per meter. Yes. Yes, I can answer. Following everybody, students, this is one of the questions given in AMCAT or Cognizant. This is again an Infosys question because Infosys gives 5 questions now from data sufficiency. Many people write down Infosys, many questions we're going to have. Following everybody, I want you to try this question, which is a logical question. Following, chaliye, make it faster everybody. If you have got this thing, then we can move forward. Chaliye, jaldi jaldi karo. And are you sure England? That's true. Chaliye, logically you're doing all this. But India says Bangalore. Following everybody. That's good. Chaliye guys, no worries. Are you understanding everybody? Chaliye guys, no worries. Let's try to move forward everybody. Here, now, on the screen. Sir, the square in the given below have X and O's. X and O's. Means here you are supposed to find out X, O's, X, O's, X, O's. This kind of game is going on. With only one box, one symbol on each box. One symbol on each box. How many squares contains X symbol? How many squares contains X symbol? That we are supposed to find out. Are you understanding, students? That's true. That's good. Grishma says Bangalore. Harshad says Bangalore. Sorry. Indija says, I'm not using the second one, sir. Please keep in your brain. I'm not using the second one, only first one. More than half of the number of squares contains O. Look now. More than half of the squares contain O. More than half. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 means more than half means 4.5. Means more than means 5 squares, 6 squares, 7 squares. This is what more than half. You can't have two O's. No, this is not satisfactory. More than half he told. Means more than half means out of 9 na, half is 4.5. More than half. Are you understanding everybody? Yes or no? So do you think one O which is there on the screen, is this more than half? This one is more than half? Is this one is more than half? No. If you look at this, now 4 O's are there. 4 is more than half or less than half? Half is 4.5. Okay. Now is this more than half? Yes, sir. 5 means more than half of the squares have O. If this is possible, bolo beta, how many X symbols are there? 4 X symbols. How many X symbols? 4 X symbols. Are you understanding? Suppose you have 6 squares, more than half he told. He did not say 5, more than half he told. Suppose you have 6 O's, then we have 3X. Suppose you have 7 O's, then you have 2X. We can't say. Sir, you told me not exactly how many O's. You tell me more than half. So this is not sufficient. So sir, I am using the second case. No, don't use this thing now. Whatever you use in the first one, remove from your brain. Remove from your brain. Only the second one you're using here. Understanding? Yes. Very good. Many people have changed the answer. Solid. No, solid. Listen, everybody. The second point, what he says here, listen, everybody. The second point, only second. Don't use the first one. What he told in the second one? Sir, each of the 4 corner squares contain X. Each of the 4 corner contains X. Like this. Like this. Sir, 4 corners contain X. Did he told here X is not there? Sir, you didn't tell me. You told corners have X. It may be middle also X. You're not understanding. Had he told only 4 corners have X? No. That you're not understanding the English meaning. You told, sir, each of the corners have X. Each corners have X. Each corners have X. Are you understanding, everybody? Each corners have X, you told. But does it mean that in the middle X is not there? Maybe in the middle also X is there. Don't try to keep this one in. Don't use the first information. Sir, this one also not possible. It may be X here also, here also. It may be X here also, here also. We don't know where is X. You told me only corners X. No, you told me one thing that each of the 4 corners square contain X. Are you understanding, everybody? This is not possible. That is not possible. So, sir, I can tell you one thing, that first is not sufficient. Second is also not sufficient. Can we club these two? Yes. If I club these two, first one says more than half of the squares contain X. Second one says corners have X. Each of the corners have X. Now if I club these two, students, everybody on the screen now. O. Is this satisfying more than half of the squares contains O? Yes, satisfying the first one. Is it also satisfying corners of X? Yes, that is also possible now. Following, everybody. Using these two, we can say the answer is what? England. Following, everybody. Using these two, the answer is what? England. You can't have one more X here. I'll tell you, you can't have one more X here. If you have X here, students, if you have X here, students, 4 O's are not accepted because first one should also satisfy now. First one says more than half of the things. Okay, you can't have X here. If you have X here, 3 O's we cannot satisfy because what did he say, you students? More than half. For more than half, definitely these two should not be there. Who? These two should not be there, means remaining all are O's. Have you understood this thing? So using this, how many X symbols are there? Yes, we can say using the statement 1 and statement 2. Have you all understood this? Say yes or no. Come on. अच्छा पढ़ रहे, अच्छा सोच रहे, अच्छा gain कर रहे हैं. Okay, that's good. So let's sort of move forward, everybody. Telegram. Okay. चलिए. One from seating arrangement, as we already have a basic knowledge of seating arrangement, not complete seating. Do it, everybody. Do this 19th question, everyone. Do this 19th question. Make it faster. 6 people are there. P, Q, R, S, T, and U sat in 2 rows facing each other. If there are 3 persons in each row, like this. Chalo, make it faster. Make it faster, everybody. He says, England, thoda dimag. Tomorrow you should in a situation that whenever, this kind of questions comes, your brain should work. You can get it. Many people. प्रश्न है, 6 people are seated in 2 rows, 3 people here, 3 people here, facing each other. The question I want is what? Sir, is Q is adjacent to R or not? My question, I don't want who is sitting where. Again, same lolly. Okay. Riya says Delhi. Just सुनो एक बार, सुनो मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूं, एक बार सुनो. सोहेल ने अपना आंसर बैंगलोर बताकर काफी अच्छे से मतलब स्कोर किया है. Just like yesterday, Rahul was telling, sir, उसका क्या, इसका क्या, अरे उसका किसका क्या, राहुल क्या करें? Yesterday I told you the same stuff. Sir, I want who sits where I don't want. मुझे इतना चाहिए, is Q and R क्या बाजू बाजू बैठेंगे कि नहीं बैठेंगे? That's what. Okay, everybody. For this, I must use the first statement only. The second statement I must not use. Only statement 1 I am teaching you, students. ध्यान रखना, only statement 1. What the statement 1? P and Q are diagonally opposite to each other. Diagonally opposite, you know that. Let me take these two are diagonally opposite, or these two are diagonally opposite. Let me take any one diagonally opposite and just try to do this question. Okay, चलिए. P is sitting here and S is sitting here. P and S are diagonally opposite to each other. I got it on this thing there. Now, students, when P and S are so. Remaining people, many are there. Who are the remaining people? Q, R, S, T, U. S is not there. T, U, yes or no? So these 4 people are remaining. Who sits where I don't know, but my concern is all about Q and R. My concern is all about Q and R. Sir, possible that Q can be here, R can be here. Look, they are adjacent or not? Yes, they are adjacent. But students, is this compulsory? Is this compulsory, students? Maybe, may not be. Maybe that Q and R sits there. If Q and R sitting here, they are not adjacent, sir. I am sorry, sir. It's not possible, sir. Maybe Q and R can be this side. Q and R can be this side. But it may be possible, sir. Maybe Q and R can be that side also. Yes or no? They may have many places for them. So do you think statement 1 alone is sufficient? No, sir. Statement 1 alone is not sufficient. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Many possibilities are there. QR. Many possibilities are there. That's the reason we cannot say with the statement 1 alone. Let's try to do the statement 2 alone. But students, when you use the statement 2 now, you should not use the statement 1 data. Statement 1 should be removed from your brain. As I have struck, you should also strike. What did it say in the statement 2? Look, don't look at the statement 1. What did it say in the statement 2? In the statement 2, students, he told that same table. He told you P is opposite to S. Who is in one of the middle row? Who is in the one of the middle row? S is as one of the middle row. Before who S came na? Before who S came na? So S is one of the middle row. Let me just keep S here in the middle of the row. Which row? I don't know. Let it be bottom row. Who is sitting opposite to S? P. Are you understanding? Who is sitting opposite to S students? P. So this is the data given to you. This is the data given to you. Now students, you tell me, if Q is here, R can be here, R can be here, R can be here. Do you think is it possible that they are adjacent to each other? No. It is not at all possible. Why this is not at all possible, sir? Maybe QR can be these two sides, or maybe QR can be these two sides. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Maybe QR can be like that, or QR can be like this. QR can be like that, or QR can be like this. QR can be anywhere. Or else QR can be this side also at the bottom. Or else QR can be that side also. At any cost, they are not adjacent to each other. What your question is, sir, yehi na, they are adjacent to each other? Yes, yes. This alone is sufficient to answer, to say that, sir, 100% they are not adjacent. This is a hint I can tell you. 100% they are not adjacent, that I can tell you using the statement 2 only. Are you understanding, everybody? So 1 is not required, 2 is required. So answer is what? Bangalore. Are you understanding, everybody? Come on, students, say yes or no. Come on, I just would like to know, say yes or no. Why the first statement is not sufficient? Because they may be, now, who sits where? I don't want. Is he asking you what are the positions of all the people? अरे मेरे को क्या मालूम कौन कहाँ बैठेगा? You ask me only Q and R ना, I can tell you only Q and R. That's what my question is. Calling everybody. I'm not interested in all the arrangements because I don't want it. Are you understanding, everybody? चलिए, I just want you to do one more question from problems on ages, which you have already done. Are you understanding, everybody? One more question from problems on ages, and I believe you can do it. Chaliye, try this last question, everybody. The more you do, the more perfect you are. That I know you know, but you have to try it. Two points. Only data 1 is not sufficient. Data 2. Remove the data 1. Data 2. Sir, 5 years ago, her age was 25 times of the age of, at that point, Deepak's age at that point of time. So Sonia, Deepak, how many years ago? 5 years ago. 5 years ago, if Deepak is X, Sonia will be 25X, 25 times of Deepak's age at that point of time. If Deepak is 1 year, she will be 25 years. Still, I can't answer. So this is what is not possible. Following, everybody? That's good. So what do? Can we club these two students? Yes. When we have an idea that we can club these two. So right now the present ages of Sonia and Deepak is X and 5X. Five years ago, what this will be? 5X minus 5, X minus 5. Students, tell me 5 years before, I'm using both. 5 years before, what's the relationship? Sonia will be 25 times of Deepak. So do you have 5 years back data? Yes. 5 years ago data also I have. 5 years ago data also I have. What is the 5 years ago data? 5X minus 5, 25 times of X minus 5. Can you solve it? Yes, I can solve it. What is X value? I don't want. What is Deepak? I don't want. What is Sonia? I don't want. Can you solve it or not? Yes. Data is sufficient or not? Yes. So answer is what? England. Are you understanding, everybody? Clear? Yes or no? This is just like yesterday. Yesterday we have done near about half of the questions, and half of the questions we have done today. For more questions, you have to do a practice, students. So almost all, 20 to 22 questions I've explained you in data sufficiency, yet many more questions you have to practice minimum.